Hello everyone, this is Abar Ahmad from MTA, Master Technology Academy. You're most welcome for today's journey. Let's start, and today we are going to talk about computer components. And the first component we are going to talk is what are computer parts, and after that we're going to divide it. This one, the first one. At first, you know better. Computer are made from uh, two main parts. They are hardware and software. And hardware, what is the hardware? We can see that in here. This detachable parts of computer is called hardware, and at the meanwhile we have software. The untangible parts of computer is called software. Let me just explain a little bit about talk about a little bit hardware. Hardware, it means the component, the parts of the physical parts of computer which are touchables. These are also called hardware. It means they are input devices and output devices. And specifically, they are called hardware. But in here, the main or purpose of the main or the core one, the one who that made to manage we manage hardware is software. In here, software are the untouchable parts of computer. They are just visible, we cannot touch them, but we can see them. But they are totally the aim of this applications or softwares are to in order to manage the hardware. These both are important, and they are dependent to each other. Without one part we cannot next part. For example, just hardware is not enough, and the main one just software is not enough. They both came together in order to have computer. But these are the general parts of computer that we just mentioned about it. Don't forget, we have computer software as I mentioned before, but let me just a little bit explain like this. Software is a set of programs that run computer hardware. As I mentioned before, these are mean softwares are set of programs. It means the collection of programs are coming together in order to run hardware. The main purpose of software is in order to manage or run hardwares. And totally your software are divided in two main categories, and we have system software here and we have application software. And system software we can call operating systems. These are the core software, as well as we can call them core software or main software, and device drivers, which is also called utility drivers. And this system software is in mean here we can call this one operating systems or the system softwares. For example, we can mention the Windows, or which belongs to Microsoft, Mac, which belongs to Apple company, and Linux, which belongs to an open source operating system. These two are closed source. I will talk about later, inshallah. And this one is on open source operating system here. Also, we can call for drivers, device driver. These are all the system softwares. And the second part, we have applications. Don't forget, application software are separate. We have two kind of application software. The first one is what? The first one, we have general purpose applications. General purpose applications are those applications that their purpose is generally, you mean which is familiar to all. Mean this is not limited to a specific person, a specific company or organization. For example, MS Office. This is an application, but this is general purpose application because these kind of applications are published globally, and everyone can use from this software. For example, VLC player, PDF reader, Photoshop. These are all just general purpose application. And the meanwhile, we have custom purpose applications, which is those applications that they are depending on a specific organization. We can just call for example, a specific applications for a specific company or organization. They are just coding specifically for their customers, specifically, which is not available to all, but their surface is limited to that organization. And this is what this is all about computer software. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to never miss the next episode. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget, MT Technology Practical Academy.